Hey everybody, what's up, what's up, what's up? Not much here. Chilling right now. My eyes are all itchy. I need to get some allergy medicine. Yeah, I had a good day today. Yeah. I've just been taking care of my son over the summer. Too. Just taking care of my son. Doing the mom life. Yeah, I need to pluck my eyebrows or something. It was your eyebrows are so nice. I'm like, no, they're not. They need plucked. They bushy as hell. Fucking big ass eyebrows. Look at that shit. But anyways, yeah, my gray are growing in right here. I'm just having a cigarette real quick. Having a cigarette. Smoking up. Smoke them while you got them. Back fucking itches. Itch my back. Itch your back. Itch your back. Yeah. Yep. I got allergies and sinuses going on too. So these guys like this shirt. Cleavage. My leg hurts so bad. Anyways, sorry about my fan blowing, but it's fucking hot out here. I have to have my fan on. Maybe I'll make some TikTok videos. My TikTok is AmandaLove35. It's my TikTok. Yep. Anyways. My son's upstairs watching his shows, going to bed. As soon as he falls asleep. But, I think I might do my makeup. Get fixed up. Excuse me. Yeah. Smoke cigarettes till the day she dies. I ain't a quitter. Like my cigarettes. I don't care. Killing me softly with his song. I don't care if it's taking my life away a little bit more, but fuck it, everybody's gotta live once, right? I don't like to find when I'm gonna die or anything like that.